Alright guys, so we are back, and first and foremost what we will do is we will create a model, the information that we want to fetch of the user data. So we want to identify the user from its UID. So that's there. Whoever is the user, we will be identifying the user with its UID. Then we need sugars, then we need name, and then we need integer, the strength. So we want to fetch the information of the user, this information. So I will create a named constructor, and in here we'll pass UID, strength, sugars. Oh, it is getting stuck. Yeah, and this name. So that's it. We will come back in here and we will be creating two methods, one for stream, so it can read the data, and also one for the information that is available in the list. So first of all, let's create who is the user. So get user stream, because this helps us to get the data of the each user data. Get user data. Great. And we will be returning, because the data is in the collection document and it is sorted with UID, because it is starting with UID, user ID, and map and snapshot. Map. So here we will return the function that we the user data from snapshot. So did we create this method? We need another method where we are, yes, here we will create, or we can just create here, so it's more sorted. User data from snapshot. Now here we are, similar to the method that we have, forgetting something, yeah, similar to this, we will pass in some parameters. Document snapshot, I guess. Snapshot, document snapshot. Document snapshot return user data, and here we are passing the values. So what do we need? User ID is going to be is equals to user ID, because this is what we are getting from above. And what else? Name is going to be document snapshot data name, and what else? Strength is going to be document snapshot data strength, and sugar is going to be equal to data. Let's name this, yeah, we need sugars. Okay, perfect. So this is the method. In this snapshot, all the data is stored and we are fetching that. So we will just pass this as a map that cycle through this and come back. And now to display the list, this is the data and this is the stream for the list, because we are going to be displaying data from the different users, right, on one screen. So we need two streams, and I will import this. I think we need, what is the problem? Maybe we need provider for this. So my Android Studio is hanged. What is wrong? Mm, let's just create. It's not importing. Maybe I'll just restart my project here. So I will just go back and drink coffee. Okay, some issue with, oh yeah, it is running here. So why is it running? For some reason. Meanwhile, this is going to listen to the updates, changes in the list. So we have to wait for this. For some unknown reason, it has started. So what is it going to return? Bruce collection, snapshots, map, this is going to return the brew list from the snapshot. This method we have created here. So that's it. And what we are going to do is simply we will go to our, first of all, let's finish this provider. Maybe actually we don't need provider, but yeah, we don't need it. Stream is a native method from Flutter. Okay, that's great. And now like we are back to where we started, that the error that we were seeing because we weren't displaying it. So now what we will do is we will go back to our, we will go to our home and we will add a stream here, and then we will be good to go, because now we have the data in the database and we just have to show it, right? So we will take this and apply a stream builder, a widget, stream builder, and we are building stream from the list of the brew model data, and the value, so the value is going to be let's just import this first. Database service, and we are applying the stream. So this is the stream that we had created. Okay, and now we have to resolve this error. So for why is it that I'm getting this? Provider is not needed. Stream provider. Okay, stream provider, sorry, not stream builder. Okay, now it should be resolved. Okay, stream provider. Stream provider list double value database service brews child container. Import stream provider. Okay, now if we I will restart my app, and hopefully we should be seeing the dummy data on our app. Guys, please subscribe my channel and like the video, and let me know if you have any questions, or you can always download the code from the GitHub, or at the same time you can text me on Instagram if you have any questions. I'll try to get back to you. So I'll pause the video so meanwhile it runs. So it should be coming anytime now. See, this is what we were trying to do. So I will just go back to what we have done is, like, I will explain because this was long. So among the including this and previous two tutorials, it's like we had created on home, we had created one brew list. Okay, this is a widget, and once we go to the brew list is I will just maybe minimize it so you see at the same time. So in the brew list we had created this and passed an index, because whatever the position the item is on, according to that it will be displayed. Whoever signed up will come first anyways. So in the brew list we came back and we had returned a list view builder, so how many users that we have are going to be listed under here. And then what we have done is, like, we had created a template for it, how it should look. This is a circular avatar and the text and all that, and then you can style it as you want. And this is a card, also has a radius. And we have done is we have added, first of all we have made a collection here, and then we are updating that collection with our dummy data, and then that list is being returned to us, and we are using stream to display it on our screen. And now what we have to do is we have to be able to update this data. Right now that we already have the data from the user, whenever the user signs up, by default we have a data. Now how do we update this data? Okay, so that's great, and most of the work is done. Almost 70 to 80% we are done, and I will see you in the next one.